Before social media, the internet was mostly a place to find information. People connected online, but the world was still far apart. In the 1990s, early online communities allowed people to create profiles, chat, and meet strangers from around the world for the first time. Social networking changed everything by turning the internet into a place where people could build digital identities and connect with others. As more people joined social networks, sharing photos, updates, and personal stories became part of everyday life. The smartphone revolution made social media powerful because people could connect, create, and share from almost anywhere. Social media evolved from simple posts into powerful platforms built around photos, videos, stories, and short-form content. For the first time, ordinary people could reach millions of viewers without needing a television station or newspaper. Social media became more than entertainment. It transformed how people learn, work, advertise, and communicate. But this massive connection also created new challenges, including privacy concerns, misinformation, and the pressure of online life. From simple online profiles to a global communication network, social media changed how humanity connects. What started